All right, so I keep talking about the very small chance of me getting caught in the snow, and I'm caught in the snow just a little bit. Made it all the way up the long driveway, about 600 feet, stuck right here. And I don't want to keep spinning because if I go down, I'm going to fall over into a ditch. So, just a precaution, I'm going to get some salt, throw it out, but I'm also going to dig up behind the tires, just in case she does slide sideways and backwards. I don't want her getting into a spin, going down there, or hitting that shed down there, and then both of them falling over into the abyss over there. So careful we don't scratch the car. Get some of this off and throw down some salt. Why didn't I move to California?
Pony in the snow.
All right, once we get up here, we should be okay, hopefully. Let's get down some salt.
This, by the way, even though I have 100 pounds of salt in the back, thought maybe that would help me out. This car's so dirty. Got 100 pounds back there. Shit, I got the car. Get that off. Stuck in the flat well. It's all frozen. Gotta wash that out the car later. There's a rock inside. Hopefully. That should be enough traction. How the hell did I get over there? Alright.
We'll clear all that off later. All right. All right, we are in snow mode. Pedal commander's obviously off. Wish me luck. Back up a little bit here. All right, that did it. Maybe I should have gotten the Blizzax. So a quick tip for anybody who has an 18 and has this weird, what I'm calling a glitch right now, where I got this message that came up every time I starting the car, saying that you have to service your tire mobility kit, which is the kit that's way in the trunk that helps you inflate the tire if you get a nail in the tire or whatever. So the car's only got 86 miles on it. So obviously that shouldn't be happening because it's supposed to last for 4 years. So I took it to the dealer and they couldn't figure it out. But we did sit here and play with the settings together. They did tell me that they thought it might be the pedal commander that was causing it to happen, but I was like, nah. But we did look into the settings here, and here's how I got it to reset, and I'll share that with you guys. You go to advanced settings, you go to vehicle, and then there's one called tire mobility kit. There's alarm, lighting, locks, oil, life reset, tire mobility kit, and then I just toggled it from 4 years to 3 years. Let me set it back to 4, and that stopped the message from coming up. So a little quick tip there: if you see your tire mobility kit message coming up and you think your car is too new for that to be happening, and first of all, if you think there's a problem with the mobility kit, if you dropped it or whatever, take it to your dealer. They'll look at it under warranty. But if they can't fix it, just repeat what I just showed you, and that at least stops the message from coming up, which is some sort of a glitch. But once I set that, toggled it on and off 3 to 3 years, and now back to 4 years, the message stopped. It never came back again. So I put it back to 4 years now. Let's go ahead and just see if it comes up again. First, I'll just turn the car off, and then we'll turn it back on. Nope, didn't come up. Problem solved. More later.